It is reported that 267 people who were billionaires last year are no longer billionaires, and 178 new people have reached billionaire status this year. To see which individual billionaires were at the top of the list, here are the 10 richest people in the world, where they are from. This list of the richest in 2020. Larry Page, age 47, worth $64.3 billion. Larry Page stepped down as CEO of Alphabet, the parent of Google, in December 2019, but remains a board member and a controlling shareholder. He co-founded Google in 1998 with fellow Stanford PhD student Sherry Bryan. With Bryan, Page invented Google's PageRank algorithm, which powers the search engine. Page was CEO until 2001 when Eric Schmidt took over, and then from 2011 until 2015 when he became CEO of Google's new parent company Alphabet. Mukesh Ambani, age 63, worth $64.6 billion. Mukesh Ambani chairs and runs $88 billion oil and gas giant Reliance Industries, among India's most valuable companies. Reliance was founded by his late father, Dhirubhai Ambani, a yarn trader, in 1966 as a small textile manufacturer. After his father's death in 2002, Ambani and his younger sibling, Anil, divided up the family empire. Amancio Ortega, Spain. Amancio Ortega, age 84, worth $65.6 billion. Amancio Ortega is one of the richest men in Europe and the wealthiest clothing retailer in the world. A pioneer in fast fashion, he co-founded Inditex, known for his Zara fashion chain, with his ex-wife Rosalia Meri in 1975. He owns about 60% of Madrid-listed Inditex, which has 8 brands, including Massimo Dutti and Pull & Bear, and 7,500 stores around the world. Larry Ellison, US. Larry Ellison, age 75, worth $68 billion. Larry Ellison co-founded software firm Oracle in 1977 to tap in the growing need for customer relationship management database. He gave up the Oracle CEO role in 2014 but still serves as chairman of board and chief technology officer. Oracle has grown in part through steady acquisitions of software companies, the biggest of which was $9.3 billion for NetSuite in 2000. Steve Ballmer, age 64, worth $68.9 billion. Steve Ballmer is the high-voltage former CEO of Microsoft, who led the company from 2000 to 2014. He joined Microsoft in 1980 as employee number 30 after dropping out Stanford's MBA program. Ballmer oversaw Microsoft at a difficult time after the first dot-com crash and through efforts to catch Google in search and Apple in mobile phones. The same year he retired from Microsoft, he bought the NBA's Los Angeles Clippers for $2 billion. Warren Buffett, US. Warren Buffett, age 89, worth $71.4 billion. Known as the Oracle of Omaha, Warren Buffett is one of the most successful investors of all time. Buffett runs Berkshire Hathaway, which owns more than 60 companies, including insurer Geico, battery maker Duracell, and restaurant chain Dairy Queen. The son of USA Congressman, he first bought stock at age 11 and first filed taxes at age 13. Bernard Arnault, age 71, worth $76 billion. One of the world's ultimate taste makers, Bernard Arnault oversees an empire of 70 brands including Louis Vuitton and Sephora. In November 2019, LVMH struck a deal to buy American jewelry Tiffany & Co. for $16.2 billion, believed to be the biggest luxury brand acquisitions ever. LVMH spent $3.2 billion in 2019 for luxury hospitality group Belmond, which owns or manages 46 hotels, trains, and river cruises. Mark Zuckerberg is 35, worth $87.9 billion. Facebook, the social network Zuckerberg runs, has become a go-to communications tool during the coronavirus pandemic lockdown. The Chan Zuckerberg Initiative, his philanthropic and advocacy arm, announced it would help quadruple the Bay Area's COVID-19 testing capacity. Zuckerberg started Facebook at Harvard in 2004 at the age of 19 for students to match names with photos of classmates. He took Facebook public in May 2012 and still owns about 50% of the stock. Bill Gates, US, age 64, worth $102.8 billion. With his wife Melinda, Bill Gates chairs the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, the world's largest private charitable foundation. In May 2020, the Gates Foundation said it would help $300 million to fight the coronavirus pandemic, funding treatment, detection, and vaccines. Gates had sold or given away much of his stake in Microsoft. He owns just over 1% of shares and invested in a mix of stocks and other assets. Jeff Bezos, US. Jeff Bezos, age 56, is the richest man in the world, worth $160.1 billion. Jeff Bezos founded e-commerce colossus Amazon in 1994 out of his garage in Seattle. He runs it as CEO and owns an 11.1% stake. Between March and April 2020, amid the pandemic, Amazon said it hired 175,000 additional workers. In April 2020, Bezos said he would give $100 million to Feed America, a non-profit that operates food banks and food pantries across the country. Amazon had faced criticism from US senators and the general public for its treatment of warehouse workers during the coronavirus pandemic.